This 1929 DL Base model, as you can see, features the iconic 45 cubic inch flathead engine. It's a true survival.
The 2027 Harley-Davidson DL Base marks a bold step into modern adventure touring, while still preserving the iconic Harley identity. It's built for riders who want versatility, durability, and performance in one machine. The DL Base blends rugged capability with advanced technology and classic American styling, creating a motorcycle that feels both familiar and forward-looking. Design and styling. The DL Base features a muscular yet streamlined design, built to handle both highways and off-road terrain with confidence. Its tall stance, wide handlebars, and upright riding position enhance comfort and control. The frame is engineered for strength and stability, while lightweight materials improve agility. LED lighting, a sculpted fuel tank, and clean, minimal body panels give the bike a modern, adventure-inspired look without losing Harley's signature character, engine, and performance. At the heart of the 2027 DL Base is a powerful mid-capacity V-twin engine tuned for torque and smooth power delivery. It offers strong low-end pull for off-road riding and confident acceleration on highways. A refined exhaust system improves efficiency and sound quality, while an advanced cooling system ensures consistent performance across different riding conditions. Transmission and riding modes. The DL Base comes with a smooth shifting multi-speed transmission, optimized for long-distance cruising as well as technical terrain. Multiple riding modes allow riders to adjust throttle response, traction control, and power output depending on road conditions. This adaptability makes the DL Base suitable for city commuting, touring, and serious adventure riding. Suspension and handling. The suspension system is designed to handle rough trails and smooth highways with equal confidence. Long travel front and rear suspension absorb shocks effectively, while the reinforced chassis enhances stability. Large diameter wheels and dual-purpose tires improve grip on various surfaces, delivering balanced handling and precise control. Braking and safety features. The 2027 DL Base is equipped with advanced braking technology, including high-performance disc brakes and ABS for enhanced safety. Traction control and stability systems help maintain control in challenging conditions. Together, these features make the bike reliable and secure for riders of different skill levels. Technology and connectivity. Modern technology plays a key role in the DL Base experience. A digital instrument. Cluster displays essential riding information with clear visibility. Conclusion. The 2027 Harley-Davidson DL Base represents a new era for Harley-Davidson. It combines adventure capability with iconic style and modern technology in a balanced, thoughtful way. With its strong performance, advanced features, and versatile design, the DL Base stands out as a powerful contender in the adventure motorcycle segment and a compelling choice for riders who seek both freedom and functionality.